WESH 2 speaks with the wife of an accused ninja robber.
She was one of several people who showed up in court today in support of 54-year-old Frank Bauer. Bauer was allegedly part of a group of people accused of breaking into mansions around the state, including one in Windermere. WESH 2's Gail Pascal Brown live outside the Orange County Courthouse with what happened today. Gail.
Martha, Frank Bauer Jr. wants a bond in the armed invasion case of the Windermere case, that is. His attorney says he never admitted to having a gun or in an armed home invasion. And also, the state says otherwise. Both sides had witnesses, but in the end, the judge said, we're going to have to continue this because of time constraints. WESH 2 News spoke exclusively with Fina Perez, the wife of Frank Bauer. He's one of the accused ninja burglars.
My husband's not a threat to the community at all. Our neighbors are here to stand up for him and show that he actually helps protect the community. He stopped a burglar from going into her house.
Frank Bauer and two other men are charged in the April home invasion of the Windermere resident and thrill ride inventor Bill Kitchen. Detectives say the robbers dressed as ninjas and tied up Kitchens and his partner. The trio is also charged in a May robbery in Orange County. The state says evidence will show Bauer confessed.
When he admits to talking about planning, the meeting up with these folks, the arming themselves, the scoping out of the residence, the dressing up in ninja costumes.
The defense says the only thing Bauer admitted to was taking responsibility for his actions.
It's really awful because he's been getting a lot of pressure from people inside the jail, calling him a snitch, calling him all kinds of names, and he hasn't done anything except responsibility for his part of it.
The defense had witnesses to testify today, including neighbors.
I'm not just a neighbor, I'm a former deputy sheriff from New York, and I know a bad guy when I see one. It's not Frank.
I mean, having a band of ninjas running around the state as far as this court is concerned, breaking into homes and robbing people, is not really something that the court's willing to risk at this time.
Now, the defense hopes to reschedule the bond hearing as early as this Friday. I'm Gail Pascal Brown, live in Orange County for WESH 2 News.